Hello everyone. My name is Bhavana Prakash Nayak. I am from first year CSC Computer Science and Engineering. Our startup company is PB Innovation. Product present name is a Dustbin. Product proposed name is Eco Plus Dustbin. First stage, empathizing. Mentioning the sum of the requirement and feeling about the product as set by the customers during the empathizing activity, long time durability and easy cleaning maintenance, automated odor spray and recycling the compartment. Second one is define stage. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of the customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is Dustbin and futuristic product name is Eco Plus Dustbin. Third stage is the ideate stage. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Segregated compartment for a easy waste sorting, odor control, easy cleaning and maintenance, recycling compartment, long time durability. Fourth stage is prototype stage. In a prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Last stage is testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. And thank you everyone.